Arweave is a software that seeks to store files permanently across a distributed network of computers. Its goal is to build something not unlike the fabled Library of Alexandria, a digital archive that persists in perpetuity. As such, Arweave has much in common with other decentralized storage platforms like Filecoin and Sia, both of which also use cryptocurrencies to create marketplaces for users who want to buy and sell data storage services. Like these ambitious protocols, Arweave, too, is seeking to disrupt a market dominated by existing storage giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. However, what sets Arweave apart from competitors is its commitment to permanently storing data through unique incentives built around its cryptocurrency. Arweave's design means that it should, in theory, enable people who store data to receive revenues, even after initial payments for its decentralized storage service are made. Further, files stored on Arweave are accessible through traditional web browsers, meaning they don't require any special wallet or blockchain service. Other notable features in development include a voting mechanism that allows its users to moderate illicit content. As of 2020, Arweave has already begun storing data from the Internet Archive in a partnership that it hopes will help keep the storied institution's data resistant from tampering. Arweave is not exactly a blockchain. Instead of a chain of blocks that contains transactions and data, the typical design for most cryptocurrencies, Arweave stores its data in a graph of blocks. This means each block is linked to two earlier blocks in Arweave, forming a structure called a block weave. This is in contrast to Bitcoin, where blocks are linked in order, forming a chain.